In this segment of the e-learning tutorial, I will demonstrate how to import a course from a prior semester. So to import a course, go to the course where we want to import the content to. So in this case, it would be the current term. We go to the course shell, and in our case, I'm going to use here an example ACC 221 Financial Accounting as the blank page. Now we click here on More on the top, and then click on Course Reuse. Click on Import, and then typically the courses that you have taught in the past, they'll show up in this list, or you can scroll to the bottom and then type the course code with an underscore in between the course numbers there, and then press search, and I'll try to retrieve the copy here from fall 23. Next, click on Continue. Leave these options as they are, then click on Next, and then at this point you can exclude certain components that you don't want to bring over. In our case, we don't want the syllabus from fall 23, and let's say we don't need the attendance. You can unselect certain options. You can also unselect everything in one shot from here. So let's say you have to bring over only a couple of the items. Unselect everything, and then you go in and select only the stuff that you want. Now, if you unselect everything, then you need to make sure that you select the top section here and then the actual item below it in that section. In my case, I'm going to select everything, and I don't want the syllabus from fall 23. Leave everything else alone, and then click on Next. It's going to give us a preview of what it's going to bring over, and then press Perform Import. Now it will have the content as it was from the previous term. Now, one thing to note as well is that in some cases, the headings for the different sections may not come over, and you need to kind of compare those with the previous course to match them with what you want for the new term. In our case here, it worked fine where the chapters came over and assignments and so on. Now this will bring over the grade book configuration and all the other items as they were in the original course.